This video is going to demonstrate the new and improved items to return report and some of the functions that you can use on the report. So from the Service Advisor Role Center under Reports, Additional, you'll have items to return. Now what this does, it generates a list of items with the following rules. That you have a quantity in stock, that quantity doesn't match the quantity on job sheets, that it doesn't match the quantity that's already on return, and that there is no reordering policy set up for that item. So for example, if you had 10 of a particular oil filter in stock and 9 of those were on existing job sheets and 1 of them wasn't, you'd only have 1 remaining in items to return. So that's the first improvement. It will actually look at the total quantity in stock, not just if any of them exist on any documents. Same applies to return orders. So what you have now within this list is you see your suppliers and you see the available quantity that's in stock to return. So for example, this is a Castrol Edge oil. This is a stocked item. So if I go ahead and open this item card, under planning, I'm just going to set a reordering policy. Next time I reload this report, that item will not be on this report because it's now a stocked item. But let's say I want to return all of these parts here to Alliance Automotive Group. I have 2 options. I can either fill these this quantity for return in here, so I'll say 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, etc. Or I can select fill quantity to return and it will just fill in all of these. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select a few from Euro car parts as well. So I'll say 1 of them, 1 of them, and 1 of them. So I've now selected that I want to send all of these back and all of these back to 2 separate suppliers. Once I've dictated the quantity to return, I very simply select Create Return Orders. What that will do, it will create a return order for Alliance Automotive and a return order for Euro car parts. It will take you to the purchase return order list where you can open the return orders and actually check that everything's correct. Another feature of the list is you have access to additional details in the fact box, and you can also check the history overview of a particular item as well. So that's the new items to return feature. If you have an item on a job sheet that you do not want to use, you simply just delete the item from the job sheet, put it in a returns bin, a physical returns bin at your workshop, and that item will appear on this list. And then from this list, we recommend that once a day or once every couple of days, you come to this list, you batch up your returns, you create a single return order for a single supplier with multiple items to return on, print off the return order and give it back to your supplier, and then you've got absolute clarity of the state of your parts that have gone back for return. If you've got any questions, please feel free to ask in the community. Thank you.